guys, thanks for checking out this video. It's been a while since I've made a video and I have all the excuses that any rational, normal person can come up with to explain why they haven't been making YouTube videos on a consistent basis. I have a slow PC, I don't have enough hard drive space, I'm lazy, sometimes not motivated, all of the excuses. But today I was out driving, working on myself, and I ran into a situation that I wanted to use as a teaching opportunity for others. Now, my friends say I'm a pretty bad driver, and there's some degree of truth to that, but these guys in front of me are really bad. I came up on a Mercedes ML450, I believe, and then a Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. And it seems like they wanted to play, so I'm like, okay, I'll join the party. You guys want to dance? I'll dance. But right away, I began to see that these guys probably weren't up to snuff when it came to driving in the mountains. You can tell by the way they started braking very early, braking very often, and then touching and cutting over the yellow line in the middle, what I call the mustard. And one of the things I learned early on when driving in the mountains is always stay away from the yellow line. Why? Because there is incoming traffic and a lot of blind corners. And if you are across that yellow line and you hit someone, you're going to be very liable for one, carrying unsafe speeds and driving recklessly in the mountains. So you can hear my frustration in the video. I mean, if you guys want to drive fast, by all means drive fast, but do it safely. And as soon as I saw the Mercedes cutting the line, I started to get frustrated because then I kind of realized he's driving above his skill level and just wanted him off the road. Just pull over and let me get by. And I really wanted the Porsche because, I mean, who doesn't want to run with a Porsche? I mean, this is a Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. All-wheel drive. I don't know how much horsepower it has, but I know it's a lot more than my little Volvo with 236 at the crank or the wheel or whatever, and sketchy brakes because I had just replaced my pads and rotors and they hadn't been broken in just yet. So I'm trying to be kind of gentle on my brakes, but one of the things I was really focused on is staying between the lines. You can kind of mess around with the white line, the what we call the mayo. You can kind of play with that, but definitely I did not want to cross that yellow line. And as you can see, the Mercedes started to cut the yellow quite often, and eventually he was able to pull off. And then as I got on the Porsche, you can see pretty much the same behavior. Braking often, braking early, and cutting the line, the yellow line. And yeah, it was just a frustrating experience. So lesson for today is just because you have a fast car doesn't mean you're a good driver. I by no means, I'm not a good driver. I suck. I have a lot to work on. But I found the two guys who suck worse than me. Enjoy the video.
Fuck. Oh no. All over the fucking yellow. Dude, what the fuck are you doing? Fuck. Pull over, man. You can't fucking keep up. Just pull over. You're not even going that fast. Look, what are you doing? you braking? Why the fuck are you braking? Alright, you need to pull over and let me pass. No, Porsche, no. Stay between the fucking lines. Ooh, pull over, buddy. Got a fast car, but you don't know what the fuck you're doing. Pull over. Concede the fight. Concede. You've lost. You have lost to a lowly Volvo. No. What the fuck are you doing? I'm gonna make you give the fuck up. I'm braking, dude. What the fuck? No braking. What are you doing? Don't brake. Let's go. Why are you braking? Why the fuck are you braking? Pull over. Falling further and further behind. Won't see him anymore.